we are out at the airfield. Got me, got Chris, got Jason, and Brandon just showed up. So I'm laid out. Looks like I'm gonna be first. Got a drone that Jason is flying. Hope I don't mess up in front of the drone. What did Jason do with that drone? He said he was going to put it right over my flag, and that's where it is. Okay, downwind approach to the drone. There we go. Wait, let's do one cross right in front of it. There you go. Alright, Chris just launched. I guarantee I did not get that, but hopefully there's other footage of it. I'm going for the drone again. I'm continuing on. I don't know what the plan will be, but you know what? You got to discuss a plan, because we didn't. And it seems like we rarely do. We just, everybody gets up and goes. We never say, okay, let's think about trying to go this way or this direction. No, none of that was done today. Oh man, I love this little place over here. Like a little airstrip that's, I don't know if it ever gets used. This is another place that I need to have for my own personal use. I see 3 tracks, that's got to be an airplane. But where do they keep it? And there's a deer feeder right in the middle of the runway. But the question is, who is landing here? Never see any planes. Yes, this is very cool. Over the water. Oh no, I'm just gonna stay around. I'm just gonna follow the lane. Looks like someone's mowing. You could see there is a hanger, white hanger way out there where my finger is on the screen, I don't know. But there's a parachute school there, jumping, and so they instruct and do tandems and all that. There's a restricted airspace right over here to my right, which I am outside of. But we have flown in there before when they weren't in operation. And I don't see anything, but man, today is beautiful, so they should be jumping. Maybe they have been all day, I don't know. But my objective are these huge open fields up here. All right, we may have another parachute opportunity. Hopefully you go, my friend. Thought I saw kids. Are there any kids? Oh no. Where's it gonna go? Where's it gonna go? Oh, she caught it! Yes! Score! Parachute victory! Yes! We got Brandon here on his Sirocco 3. Looking good, Brandon. Here he comes. I'm trimmed out into the wind. I'm only getting 31 miles an hour. What are you getting? You got them flaps in. Okay. I'm giving her all she's got, Captain. He's sinking. Nope, that's it. That's the best we can do. That's all I can do, Rod. Alright, I'm going trims in. He's leveling his flaps out. He gone. Man, you lose so much altitude doing this. Just part of it. All right. Chris, smoking. Man, it has calmed down to perfectness. That'd been bad the whole night, though. Man.
He's saying he saw another wing on the ground over there.
When was this?
I just landed right in front of you.
Really? Where at?
About half a mile south.
Huh. So it was on the very end of his airstrip?
Yeah. There's like an open field on the northwest corner and it's laying right there. And there's a dirt road and somebody stopped on the dirt road, like maybe they're helping him or something.
Huh.
Chris doesn't have blue and green.
No. Chris was back, but he was right behind me.
Yeah, I saw him down there. Right.
And then Brandon was over there too, so I mean we're all accounted for. Alright. I'm gonna hook back in, take off and go see if there is in fact a wing stranded over there. It's not one of us. We are all accounted for. Scoped and I didn't see anything, so I'm coming back. Okay, Chris, what'd you think?
It was probably the best night we've had in a long time.
Yeah.
Butter on the ground.
Oh my gosh, it was so good.
It was super good.
Ron,
Yes,
how
sir.
was it in the real
Oh
plane?
man, it's all good.
So that was Ron flying beside me. I was doing about 30, 31 miles an hour, and yeah, he just slowly crept past me.
Yeah.
When I saw the flaps go up, he was gone. Brandon, what'd you think?
It was amazing. It's a great night.
Yeah,
really
that's
good.
it? That's the maximum you got? A lot better than last time, huh?
It was so good.
It was good. Oh my
really good.
gosh. I could go right now again.
I know.
Our flags were just limp when we took them in.
It was good. Flew up with planes today. Flew around kids that were excited. We got to see a cool sunset. Flew all the way out to a couple different cities.
Yeah,
It's a good day.
it was. It was. So glad we came out. All right, there you go. Beautiful night. So, gonna try it again tomorrow night. I don't know if I'll film, but maybe. So, we out.